take your seats, okay? And then we will have, gusto nyo bang magkaroon ng group picture by courses on stage? Okay. So, kailangan maayos tayo. Muna-muna, kung ano yung order ng pagpunta sa pagkuha ng diploma, yun din ang order ng pag-take ng pictures. Okay? So, muna-muna yung BSCS. After that is the BSIT. Okay? So, kailangan sabay-sabay kayo papanig sa taas. No flower picking on stage. Okay? Huwag niyo sisirain yung stage. Magbabayad kayo. Okay? May gagamit pa dyan. Kaya kailangan huwag natin sisirain yung stage. Okay? So you're given some kind of opportunity to take pictures as a group